Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to recover browser tabs after restart. Now, if your browser restarted unexpectedly or you accidentally close it, you can usually restore your previous tabs. So, for example, I open Chrome browser. Then, as you can see, I have a lot of tabs open at the top. Now, let's say, for example, I accidentally close this browser. Now, what we need to do next is to reopen Chrome. So, select the profile that you're using. Now, what we need to do next to restore those tabs is to press Ctrl plus Shift plus T if we're using Windows.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
So, repeat that shortcut. So, keep pressing it to restore more recently closed tabs. So, just like so. So, just press Ctrl Shift plus T and those tabs will be restored. Next method, you can also go to the three dots in the top right corner, then go to History, then go to Recent Tabs and select the previous window. And that's basically it. If we're using other browser like Microsoft Edge, Firefox, etc., you can just do the same. So just press Ctrl Shift plus T to restore those tabs. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.